Editing expenses in QuickBooks Online can feel heavy during cleanup, month-end close, or audit prep. If you need to recategorize expenses, update classes or locations, fix memos, or correct amounts, doing it one by one takes time and it is easy to miss something. In this video, I'll show you how to edit expenses in QuickBooks Online using SaasAnt. You export them to Excel, make the changes once, and update them back into QuickBooks. I will also show a faster live edit option for quick fixes on a few expenses. To start 30-day free trial of SaasAnt, just click the link in the description to get started today. Now inside QuickBooks Online, go to Apps, search for SaasAnt, and install it. Approve the connection and you land SaasAnt Dashboard. After logging in and connecting your QuickBooks company, click Download. On the Filter and Export page, choose Expenses from the drop-down. Next, set up your filters to pull only expenses you want to change. Select your date type and set your date range. You can use the default Simple Mapping. Click Search to load the expense records based on the filters you applied. Review the results, select what you need, and click Download. Choose CSV or XLSX and save the file. Now open the downloaded file in Excel. Do not change the key reference columns or any internal identifiers. SaasAnt uses these to match the existing expenses in QuickBooks. Update only the fields you want to change, based on what your template includes. Common edits are category or account, payee, amount, description or memo, class, location, customer or project, billable status, tax settings, and payment account. Save the file after you finish your edits. Go back to SaasAnt. This time, choose Modify from the dashboard and select Expenses as the transaction type. Upload the edited file. On the mapping screen, confirm every column is mapped correctly, especially the fields you changed in Excel. Click Review, then click Update QuickBooks to apply the changes to your expenses. To verify, open a few updated expenses in QuickBooks Online or use the QBID link in SaasAnt to jump directly to the transaction and confirm your edits. If you only need to fix a few expenses quickly, you can use Live Edit instead of Excel. Go to Smart Entry and click Live Edit, then click Ready to Edit. You will see two ways to find what you want to edit. Edit by searching helps you filter and pick expenses using criteria like date range and other filters. Edit by reference lets you pull specific expenses directly using their reference numbers. Select Expenses from the transaction type dropdown. Enter the expense number you want to edit, or enter multiple expense numbers if you want to update a few at the same time. SaasAnt will load the expenses in a table, then you can click into any editable field in the grid. For example, here I am editing the description field for this expense and updating it instantly. Once you are done, click Submit to push the changes back to QuickBooks. Click the QBID link to open the expense in QuickBooks and confirm the update. That's how you can edit expenses using Excel or quickly fix a few with Live Edit without opening each entry in QuickBooks Online. Try the free trial for your next cleanup or month-end review.